The Supreme Court here in Brasilia was one of 3 buildings invaded by supporters of ex-President Jair Bolsonaro on January the 8th, who were calling for the ouster of his successor, Lula da Silva. Rioters also ransacked the presidential palace and Congress. On Wednesday, the court kicked off the first trials over the riots.
The emblematic history building where we meet, the facilities of the National Congress and the Planalto Palace, the headquarters of the 3 pillars of Brazilian democracy, have been the target of a dishonourable coup attack, directed with greater virulence against the Supreme Court.
Thousands of Bolsonaro supporters, incensed by his loss, stormed the seat of power a week after Lula's inauguration. The first 4 accused, aged between 24 and 52, each face a total of up to 30 years in prison. Prosecutors say one of the suspects openly incited a coup. A cell phone video of him celebrating the invasion in the Senate chamber was used against him as evidence. The suspect's lawyers say that he was unarmed and committed no acts of violence.
Aécio was not in possession of any dangerous object, weapon, or any other type of instrument that could pose a risk to the physical integrity of anyone or to the public good itself.
Overall, the court is set to hear 232 cases relating to the most serious alleged crimes committed during the riots. Bolsonaro, who is under investigation over allegations of corruption and abuse of office, also faces scrutiny by the Supreme Court over accusations of inciting the riots. Also under investigation are the police and army officers. Investigators are trying to discern whether they played a role and are attempting to uncover who backed the protests financially.